Hello guys, welcome to Electrical Preps. So today we are going to look at this question. It is under integration and we have to compute integral of x squared multiplied by e to the power x dx. Okay, so this type of question we can use by parts to solve this. That's the simplest method to go by. The reason is that it is very easy to differentiate x squared. Okay, it's easy to differentiate x squared, but you will find it difficult to differentiate e exponent x. Okay, but it is very simple to integrate e exponent x. So that's why we use by parts to integrate this type of problem. So this is what we call integration by part. So today I'm going to show you the simplest method, or let's say the shortcuts to use to get the answer. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let's represent some alphabets with the terms. So we can say let u is equal to the term that it will be easy to integrate. Okay, it will be easy to integrate. So with this, you say that let it be x squared. Then v to be the one that we can easily integrate. Okay. So we let u is to be equal to x squared because this one is very easy to differentiate. Okay, it's very easy to differentiate. Then we let v to be equal to e power x because it is easy to integrate. From here, then we form a table. Okay, so you say u, then our v. Good. And we know that u is x squared, then v is ex. So let's start. When you differentiate x squared, what are we getting? We are getting 2x. And when you integrate e to the power x, we are still getting e to the power x. We can still integrate 2x. Okay, so looking at this, we can still differentiate 2x. Okay, so when you differentiate 2x, what are we getting? We are getting 2. Then we integrate e to the power x. And we still get e to the power x. Don't forget, you have to differentiate this side until you get 0. Okay, before you stop. So 2, when you differentiate 2, what are you getting? You are getting 0. Then when you integrate e to the power s, we are getting back our e to the power x. Pay attention here. This is very important. After you are done, you do with your plus and minus. Okay, so the first one we plus, minus, plus, then minus. Then you take your rule. The first one is going to be like this, this, and this. So it means 2s will take this, x squared will take this, 2s is going to take, then 2 will take this. So integral of x squared e to the power x dx, we are going to get to be x squared e power x. The symbol here is minus, so minus 2x e to the power x, then plus, so plus 2 multiplied by e to the power x. Don't forget our arbitrary constants plus c.